Max is running it back. We got some more Blizzard boxes here, but we also have a couple of boxes of some Dragon Ball. Got a little Dragon Ball there. We're starting with the Dragon Ball. We'll end with the Blizzard. We'll start with FB1 it is. This is my first time opening Dragon Ball, so I'm kind of excited for this.
Yeah, that's the first with this game in English. Ironically, this game was printed in the U.S., but not sold in the U.S., but it was sold in Japan.
Solid.
So my friend of mine's got some decks and stuff we were playing, like, before I left.
Is that a thing? Autographed Gohan? Is that a thing? Ooh, and they got the pull tabs on them, too.
I have the voice actor who played Gohan's
That's cool.
Gohan, his autograph.
That's cool.
I even have Goku's autograph and Vegeta's.
Frieza, Meta Cooler, Bulma, Ginyu, Assemble Representative, Zamasu, Vegeta, Android 17, Hollow Vegeta there.
Raccoon.
All right.
So I don't really remember the rules for this game too much because I didn't get to play it too much before I left. But I'm thinking about picking it back up. What about you, Max? Do you play this game? Or do you just collect? Did you want the Vegeta's top loaded? Or just sleeve?
I ain't been looking, Jesus. Terrible, terrible. 17. Sleeve the regular top load, the hollow one.
Okay.
There's Android 18 there for you.
Ooh, nice. That's actually really cool.
Oh, okay. Son Gohan childhood. Cool Son and Gohan there.
And this is the moment Cell learned he messed up.
Well, yeah, we got you. Trunks Future Hollow, Dr. Giro's Lab.
Dr. Giro? Or Giro? Yeah, it does look like it would be Giro, but...
It's Dr. Giro. I always just call him Giro.
It does look like it should be pronounced that way, but...
Beerus. There's Cooler. Fun fact, Cooler. I'm pretty sure Cooler is still not...
He's still not canon.
I'm about to say, I'm pretty sure he's still not canon. It's just funny to me.
I thought they were going to bring him in, like, in Super, the way they were going with things. Like, they brought Broly into canon.
Trunks Future.
But then they just revived Frieza instead.
Yep.
So, that's a thing.
What's the best card to pull from this set, Max? Ginyu.
It's clearly Captain Ginyu.
Son Goku, Dr. Giro's Lab, and a Vegeta. White and gold with texture. God rares, okay. I'm assuming that's like one per case or something.
Dragon.
Body change. There's Cooler. Speaking of not canon. Nice Cooler card there.
See, like that for a fifth form is so much cooler than Golden.
Goku Black. I love the abridged version with Android 19 and Vegeta.
Yeah. Oh, it's so great.
It's time for me to get a workout in. Android 20. Krillin.
It's like I'm a size 19. Bam.
That'd be good if you. It will not be good, so don't go to Two Bros. Why won't it be good if we send you to Two Bros? Why is that, Jay-Z? Goku Black. My on the future there. The SR. Supernova. 118. Future Trunks. Why doesn't Steve want us to raid Two Bros, Jay-Z? Metacooler. Son Goku there on the SR. It's pretty cool. I really have not kept up with like Dragon Ball Super 2.
Oh, you haven't read the manga?
I have not.
Yeah, I was keeping up with the manga.
I have
overseas.
not kept up with it. Vegeta.
It's pretty nuts.
I have not kept up with anything at all.
Vegeta's newest form is called Ultra Ego.
Yeah, I know that. I know Ultra Ego. I know about Ultra Ego. I know that one. That one I know.
At least that's how it's translated. I believe that's the actual, or will be the English version, not the name.
Which makes sense.
Yeah, considering his personality, I feel like it makes sense. Like how that form works too, so.
Alright, you got a little, alright, you got a little funk going right now.
Yeah.
Here for it. Cool hit card there. Like I said, I haven't really kept up with, I haven't really kept up with it, which is terrible.
Yeah, same here. It was like my childhood, and then like they came out with the new stuff, and I'm like, well, I gotta go see it. I saw the superheroes movie in the theaters while I was over there. That was fun.
This one with, what is it?
It was like
Black Cell or something like that.
yeah, it was like Cell Max.
Yeah. And Gohan showed his new form.
Yeah. He translates to Beast Mode?
Oh!
If I was reading that one right?
Oh! That looks sick.
That's really cool.
That looks sick. That looks super sick.
Super Saiyan grows out.
That is sick.
That's so cool. Goku Black.
17 and 18 there.
There you go.
There you go, Max. A little 17 and 18.
Well done, Max. Is this a person?
It is.
Yep.
Nice. Well done, Max.
Black Kamehameha, Botamo, and Ginyu. Metacooler. Some Gohan Adolescence. There's another 17 and 18 there.
Might
The
be a
Goku
secret
Black
rare.
we pulled, can't even find. It's a legendary star, so I don't know what that means. Can I see it again?
Sure.
Yes. No, Max, we're not going to let you see your own cards.
Will never be seen again.
We'll not let you see your own cards. There's the back of it.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Not bad.
Android 16.
Frieza.
Frieza.
Chunky Frieza.
Yep.
Box price back. There you go. It's my rule of thumb when it comes to buying cards. If I break even, I won. If I break even, then I won. That is always my goal, is to just break even. Never look to make money on a box. If I can make the money back, then I feel like I've won. Vegeta. Android 17 and 18 on the gold SR there. We've gotten like 3 different variations of this card. Yeah, that's it.
Yep.
Yeah, that's it. Last pack here of your first box.
I always found this outfit amusing, where it's just like, oh, we got to fight for the universe, and she's just in a tracksuit.
Yep. A Goku Black there.
Ooh, that's cool.
Okay. Is it for your first box? No problem, wise guys. You'll be up right after this. Hi, Grizz. Welcome back. Guys, there's 1 minute left on our little prediction on the Wheel of Fates. The Wheel of Fates prediction. 1 minute left. Yeah, I know you're always here lurking. I know you're always around. Okay. Let's pull the Vegito God Rare. Okay. We can do that. Yeah, sure.
Let's see what we can do.
Trunks. 16. Master Roshi. Mecha Frieza. Vegeta there. And we have a Trunks Future. That looks sick.
I like that. Feel so bad for Future Trunks. He never gets a break.
Hi, Rabid. Keyboard got stuck. What do you mean by that? What do you mean? What do you mean by keyboard got stuck? Devontae Adams to the Jets, sure. What cap space? They haven't even. They have somebody who's holding out. There's somebody who's holding out. They traded for Hassan Reddick and they haven't even signed him to a deal. Nice Vegeta card there. That's sick.
Oh yeah.
I wish he had kept this version of his armor. Like the new suit that Bulma made for him.
Yeah.
When Super started, then he went back to the other one.
Like they traded for Hassan Reddick. Yeah, that's fine, well and good. Aaron Rodgers, see if he can make it past 4 plays of the season. What is this? What is this? Oh, Vegito.
Vegito.
Let's go. Yeah, sure, they're going to do better at the Jets than they did at the Packers. They have a head coach who has lost 2 out of 3 games he's coached in. They have an owner and a GM who were at the owners' meetings and arguing and getting into heated arguments while at the owners' meetings.
Oh, that's going to go great.
But yes, no, Jets are favored to win the division, sure. Yep, Jets are a Super Bowl favorite.
Are you serious?
Yes. They have one of the better odds. Android 17 there.
Oh, because of their schedule?
Not,
Or-
everybody believes in 40-year-old Aaron Rodgers coming off of an Achilles tear. Sure.
That's perplexing.
Yeah, see, there's the if. If Aaron Rodgers stays healthy. When was his last full healthy season? Wasn't last year, wasn't the year before because he had the thumb injury or whatever it is. Ginyu and a Vital.
Vital. Vidal.
Jets as much of a chance of winning the Super Bowl as well. Bulma, my Vegeta. There's Brawly and Zeno. I love Zeno. I love Zeno. From the clips that I have watched, Zeno's just like, yeah, the most powerful character, and they're just like, yeah, it's so wholesome. He's,
Like, yeah, whatever. Like, he's just like a little kid, kind of.
yeah, just a
Like, go on.
child, more or less.
Like, absolutely terrified Goku.
Bulma.
Goku in the Black Arc. I was like, hey, did you do this? No. Well, then it must be erased. He's like,
Yeah.
oh, my.
Yeah. What do you mean by that? What do you mean it must be erased? What does that mean?
Yeah, Duke can like completely just erase a whole universe on the
Right.
game. Just boop, gone.
And we have a Son Gohan future. That's pretty cool looking. Godbear, don't be shy. Trying, Max.
So what's the god rare in this set, Max?
Vegito? Jace. We have a Bulma. Nice Bulma there.
Smartest woman on the planet.
Yeah.
Vegeta knew what he was doing. He was like, hey, this one's the richest and smartest woman on the planet. She can make me anything I need.
And is feisty.
And is feisty.
17, 18 there again. Zamasu.
Which they have confirmed. Apparently that's what the Saiyans like in their
Yes.
women. For them to be feisty.
Cool Son Goku card there. Fusion of Evil Power. Another Android 18. Yeah, back in the tracksuit. We have a Kefla there in the SR.
It did annoy me how easily this Universe 6 Saiyans could just go Super Saiyan. Just figured it out super easy. But it's a different universe, so different rules.
And they also had Goku and
Vegeta to show them.
yeah. Zamasu fused.
I get they kind of had to, otherwise it would have been totally irrelevant. But
Yeah. Caulifla. Awakening to perfect form. Here's another Android 18. Zamasu. Down to our last few packs here. And we'll be moving on to the Blizzard. Number 18. What is this?
ooh,
Son Gohan in the future. That's cool. Chi-Chi. Cell Jr. We have another Vegito. Another nice Vegito there. Zamasu. 3 packs left in the Dragon Ball. Fun fact, I hate Yamcha. Most useless character in this series.
yep.
Last pack. Alright, some pretty good stuff there for you, Max, from your Dragon Ball. Now we will move on to the Blizzard. All right, Blizzard time. Here we go. Yep. All right. There are worse things you could be addicted to. There are worse things.
Yep.
Box piece, Phoenix. Now you need to sell some stuff again. Well, let's go.
Yep.
Let's go.
I feel like Michael here, as a Padawan sports star, we have to give him the rules of who we can pick and who we can't.
That's right.
'Cause he's like a blank slate of fandoms.
That's right.
So
One in
when
120
you're ready to choose your teams, Michael, we got a couple of just general rules. You cannot.
We can run this by Josh too when he's done with this room.
Cutthroat Buccaneer, the Frost Saber Matriarch, and Yogg Saron Hope's End. All right, not bad. Almost threw the minis in the garbage.
Oh no.
The back should show rarities on the minis.
You want everything blue and above, right?
Yes.
And top loaders, was that it, Max? Is that what you said?
Yes, blue and above and tops.
All right.
Got a patch. Protoss again. Protoss on the war banners.
That's really cool.
And we got a Bridget on the Spectral. Got a Murky on the silver. Oh, you're good.
Just playing catch up at the moment.
You're good. Oh, always. I love this stuff.
Oh, it's fun.
Another box piece. Got a blue.
This product is so cool. Like, I love that, like, even like the... Oh, look, here's a card that you open to get more cards. Like,
Love
this is
cards.
so cool.
Doomfist. We have Farah on the Ultimate Ready. Hanzo. We have a BlizzCon here in the bronze. BlizzCon 2017. Is that bronze? It looks more gold than anything
Looks
else.
like gold to me.
Looks gold. That's definitely gold. It's not bronze. It's too light. That's definitely gold. Top of that.
Oh, yeah.
Legendary then. Okay. Take. Another box piece. One in 80. Okay. That's pretty good. Pepperoni. Dino Tamer Bran. Direhorn Hatchling and Gray Bow. They're all the same rarity there. I guess blue is the lowest. I guess the blue is the lowest rarity.
Or green is? Green the lowest?
No, on the
Oh,
back,
for
on
those,
the
sorry.
backs, on the backs, on the backs.
I didn't realize you were talking about the mini cards.
Yeah, the minis. Silver there. Yep. The gold is called Mage. Widowmaker, another box piece.
See that?
If not, I will show Max. Max, just so you know, one of your cards, just a whole chunk missing out of the corner there. Someone got a little hungry, took a little bite. Took a little bite out of the corner there.
My guess is the machine as it was pushing grabbed it.
Or someone at the factory.
Yeah, one of the two.
Murky ate it, exactly. Teased.
Just giving you a heads up. I saw it.
Sombra on the Ultimate Ready. Soldier. Hey, we got War Banners of Zerg. War Banners of Zerg there.
Ooh.
Got a Tyrael.
Makes me want to play Diablo again.
Was that one a Spectral? Which one?
This one. Diablo.
Are you talking about the Tyrael?
Yeah.
Oh, this one was a Spectral. Good catch. Good catch. Good catch. I didn't even see it because the Spectral can be a little bit difficult to see sometimes.
Yep.
Good catch. Roadhog. Hey, we got a Sigma Maestro.
Blizzard. So it's a
Video
company that
games.
makes a bunch of different video games.
Oh, I wasn't your team.
Yeah.
All right, couple more.
If I remember correctly, they're owned by Microsoft now, right?
Blizzard is, yes. BlizzCon there. That is BlizzCon 2008. BlizzCon 2008. BlizzCon Silver 1 in 40. So what, one in every 2 boxes then? 3 boxes? Yeah, 20 packs, so one every 2 boxes. Another puzzle piece. There's Murky. Last pack of the first box. Venice Windrunner. Okay. Sure. Alright, that is it for box 1. On to box number 2. Yeah, Savannah Silver. There you go. Box piece. Did not find a Lord of the Rings pack. Sorry, Max. I tried. Okay, we got another Ripper. Got another Ripper. Looks like we have a blue rarity there on the back. We have the tour guide. Theotar the Mad Duke and Tamsin Rome. There, all the blue there. Widowmaker, Baptiste, another puzzle piece. Soldats. One mini dupe. I don't think we've pulled a dupe yet on the minis. Okay, we have a Zerg War Banner there. And we have Sylvanas Windrunner on the Spectral. We have a Farah on the silver. Bastion on the green. Hanzo, Roadhog, another box piece, and Gul'dan. Trying to, Max. Trying to. Really want to get a sketch. I love sketch cards, so really want to get us a sketch. We got Reaper on the Slice emotes. We have a BlizzCon in the bronze, I believe. A little BlizzCon there. The Arthas, please top load.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, okay.
Copy.
Sure.
Not a problem. A box piece.
Oh, yeah, the Lich King.
Has it the error? What error? The Arthas?
Is there an error on it?
Is there an error on this? I don't think so. Is it missing the T? Oh yeah, it is.
Huh.
It is missing the T.
I
Yeah,
didn't even notice.
sure is. Yeah.
Good catch. I didn't even see that.
Bridget, Rexar. We have a Sagras on the silver. Yep. Box piece, got a blue.
Blues.
Another Rippy. Seems legendary. Rune of the Archmage. We have Tuskar Totemic and Enzoth the Corruptor. Okay. Couple packs left here. Murky. We got another patch. War Banners of Protoss. We have a Spectral of Leah.
That's pretty cool.
Material. We have Tracer there on the silver. Yeah, Leah got obliterated about Diablo. That's correct. Yeah, she got. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, she sure did.
It didn't end well for her.
Well, a lot of silver. Yeah, there's a few different. There's a few silvers in there. A box piece and Kira. Speaking of Diablo. 3 packs left. Yeah, I don't even play it. I don't even play.
What, Diablo?
Yeah, no, I play Diablo. Wow. I play RuneScape. 1 is enough. 1 is enough. I already played 1 grind simulator. Don't need to play 2. Rock and roll racing.
Diablo 2 was a great time.
I love Diablo. I love it. I've done so many playthroughs of Diablo. Last pack, let's do it. Cassia, Mercy, box piece, and a Zul'jin there on the blue. And that will end our break. BlizzCon. Where'd you see the BlizzCon? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Oh, right there. So look at that. Yep. Got it. All right. Max, thank you for the order. As always, we appreciate it.
Thank you.